Stunning. Exceptional. Fully furnished. This is the singular Madrid floor plan in Valencia Lakes. Built in 2018 by GL Homes as a model home to market their next community. The bar was set extremely high, and it truly is an amazing house with an abundance of upgrades. So, imagine living in the newest model in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. With 1,615 square feet under AC, this Madrid offers 2 bedrooms, an office/den, an open floor plan featuring the great room, dining room, and kitchen, and a wonderful Lanai/screen room overlooking an expansive backyard that is 45 deep. The home's exterior features are a barrel tile roof, whole house gutters, security lighting at all 4 corners, a 300 amp main panel with EATON complete home surge protection, a 100 amp sub-panel at the rear for a future pool, and all windows and doors are impact-resistant glass, no need for hurricane shutters. Enter through the modern front door with its 3/4 length privacy glass and be welcomed into a large foyer with a striking chandelier. All common and wet areas feature SHAW Midtown 12x24 porcelain tile laid in a waterfall-offset pattern. Left of the foyer is the guest wing, with bedroom 2 that has LVP floors, a ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and a perfect westerly view to catch sunsets. It's currently fashioned as a sitting room. How will you use this space? The guest bathroom features a Banjo quartz counter, topped by a 5-wide mirror with a chic lighting fixture. The bathtub/shower is complemented by tub-to-ceiling tile with 2 mosaic glass tile Listellos. Forward of the guest wing is the office/den, which features engineered hardwood floors, hanging shelves, and a ceiling fan. Beyond the front hallway lies the Madrid's fabulous open floor plan. Its 16 recessed LED lights are complemented by additional lights in each of the great room, kitchen, and dining room. The 15'X17 great room is adorned with an exceptional wall fabric, and has a transitional ceiling fan, a floating cabinet, floating shelves, and a 3-panel 9-slider leading to the lanai. The chef's kitchen features G stainless appliances, 42 solid wood espresso cabinetry with extensive sliding shelves, marble mist quartz counters, arabesque tile backsplash, over and under cabinet lighting, a large island with a double sink and 2 spectacular pendant lights. 3 windows bask the dining room in natural light, and the chandelier is utterly priceless. The owner's suite features 4 recessed lights, a lighted ceiling fan, 2 sconce lights, impeccable wall fabric, a walk-in closet and a built-in closet, and a spacious ensuite bathroom. The ensuite has a captivating wall fabric, 2 separated vanities, expansive mirrors, a large walk-in shower with a 12 vertical Listello and a West/Z for the comfort height commode. The extended Lanai/Scree-room will be a perfect space to enjoy outdoor living. The highly acclaimed Valencia